Vanakkam, I'm Prem, physiotherapist from Priya Prem's Physio Academy. We have been doing so many yoga seminars, and as the continuation of it, we are about to start
on July 17, 10 days online plus 1 day direct workshop.
The topic will be yoga anatomy, yoga physiology, and yoga biomechanics. Yoga biomechanics, the biomechanics is nothing but it is the physics that is happening inside our body. To know about the physics exactly, first of all, we need to know about the structure of the body, that is nothing but the anatomy, which is in relation to the yoga. That means the overall skeletal anatomy, the muscle anatomy, the joint anatomy, and the major muscles that is going to move the joints, their origin, gross insertion, their action, and medical terminologies related to this yoga anatomy. Everything is put together in the broad topic yoga anatomy, and after which we can be able to analyze the biomechanics that is happening inside the body.
This is going to be 10 days in online for 1 hour 15 minutes on each day plus 1 day full direct seminar.
And take this golden opportunity to enhance your yoga skills, so that it provides a very good base, and any basic yoga practitioners to advanced practitioners that can take this course. So please share this with your yoga community so that lot of people will be benefited from it. Thank you so much. Please do share this. Thanks a lot.